Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a dictionary to learn more words and build vocabulary. That's right, you can use a dictionary just like this one to build up your vocabulary options, to build up your diction, as I like to say, and also to learn more words in the English language. I'm going to be going over two options that you can use on a daily basis to do just that. Let's get right into the video. Number one, the first option is to pick 10 random words in the dictionary to look up, okay? So literally open the dictionary and just open to a random page and pick a word on that page and look up what it means, okay? So, and I'll tell you how to further this in a moment. So I picked a random page over here. There's way too many pages for me to bookmark any of them. So I just picked a random page and I'm going to look up mediocre, which I already know what it means, but I'm going to look it up anyways. Mediocre, which is average in quality, second rate, okay? Average in quality or second rate. Now, I knew what mediocre meant, but if I didn't, I would have learned that it meant average at best or second rate, like not the best, but maybe average or the second best zone over there, sort of the medium zone, okay? And you can do that with 10 random words. And you can do that quickly, like each word will only take you, let's say 30 seconds to read it and understand it, maximum 30 seconds to read it and understand it. But what you can do to further this is you can actually get a thesaurus, which a thesaurus will show you similar words, and you can take that word that you looked up, learn what it means, and then cross-reference it to the thesaurus, and then in the thesaurus, you can look up other words that mean the same thing, or similar things. I do apologize. I should have had some water before this video. I'm really struggling. My mouth is dry and my tongue is so white, and my water's at my work site right now. I can't get it. So, and it's raining outside. I feel like I should just go outside and hold my tongue out to get some water. That's how thirsty I am, but I'm going to push through it. So to further this, you can take that word that you looked up and then cross-reference it to the thesaurus. And when you've done that, then you're going to have similar words. And you're going to know similar words and synonyms for that word. So you can do that with 10 words a day or more, but 10 seems to be the lucky number that you can sort of keep in your mind, memorize, and so forth before it's overwhelming, okay? The second option, which will take a little bit longer, but you're going to learn more words at this rate. So if you have a bit more time, you can use the second option, which is to pick a page in the dictionary. Now you can pick like 2 pages or just a single page. So pick both or just a single page and look up each word on that page, and you can actually see what each word means. Now, because of the way that the dictionary is formatted, they're all going to be with the same lettering, right? So this is like GU, right? So like these are all from GU, they're all GU words that start with GU, right? So you can do that. You're going to have less variety when you do that, but you're going to allow yourself to encounter words that you're not comfortable with and learn what they mean. When you're flipping to a random page and choosing a random word 10 different times, you're going to look for ones that you know, like receive, right? Or recede, right? I know much about receding because I went bald, so I had a receding hairline for a long time before I lost it all. So recede, become distant. So I only know about the word recede from my hairline, but I didn't know to recede means to become distant, which makes sense, to get further away. So you're going to go with words that you're comfortable with. By reading the whole page, you're going to encounter uncomfortable words, which is sort of better for you, but it takes more time and it takes more effort and gets you a little bit uncomfortable with your vocab and so forth. But that's how to use a dictionary to learn more words and build vocabulary. You can do it really easily. It doesn't take a lot of work. And honestly, with a few minutes a day, you can upgrade your vocabulary, your choice of words, your diction, as I like to call it, which I believe, as far as I remember, diction means word choice. So you can upgrade your diction using a dictionary, using those 2 methods that I outlined. And that's truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.